What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Andrews' dance class. Hey, cue music.
Counterfeit. Hey, counterfeit.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Andrews' class number 2. Today's song that we're going to be doing is called Hot Shower by Chance the Rapper. Follow along. Let's have fun. Alright, first steps. I, with your right hand, goes out and your left leg goes out as well. And then cross over, got muscles like Superman strength. Alright? So 5, 6, 7, 8. I got muscles like Superman trainer. So every time when you do it, you move forward. Baby step it. Or if you want to go all out, you can be like, I got muscles like Superman trainer. So we did trainer. And the next step, you're gonna go real, real, real. Alright? Easy step. Your feet just go step, step, step. Your hands are up here. You just go 1, 2, 3. Cool? So from the top. 5, 6, 7, 8. And I got muscles like Superman trainer. Look. Real, real, real. Okay. So there's also another thing. There's also a little look. He says it in the song. I got muscles like Superman trainer. Look. Alright? From the beginning. 5, 6, 7, 8. I got muscles like Superman trainer. Look. Real, real, real. Good. From here, you're gonna go. I like to pretend like if you were putting on your pants. So you're gonna go roll them out. Boom. Alright? So real, real, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I got muscles like Superman trainer. Look, real, 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 like put pants on. Cool. Next. So we're out here. Boom. I stomp, stomp, stomp. Alright? One more time. It's like going on a roller coaster. Ah, ah, ah. Let's try to put it all together. 5, 6, 7, 8. I got muscles like Superman trainer. Look. Real, real, real. Like Superman trainer. I stomp, stomp, stomp. Let's try it out with music. Recording. So the next part of this is gonna be the fun part. We did stomp, stomp, stomp. After this, you're gonna slide out, boom. And I like to leave my heel up when I do that slide. But in this case, we're just going back. We did I stomp, stomp, stomp on Lucifer. Then you're gonna step out, 1, 2. And that's a bounce. So bounce with it, bounce with it. So from stomp, 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 stomp. 5, 6, 7, I stomp, stomp, stomp on Lucifer's head. From here, you're gonna do another one, 2, and then you're gonna go into, I forgot what this is called, but it's also one of my favorite moves. Boom, 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 throw, and whoa. Easy, easy peasy, you got this. From the beginning, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I got muscles like Superman trainer. Look, real, 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 like Super Saiyan Maker. I stomp, stomp, stomp on Lucifer head, and 2, and 1, 2, throw, and whoa. Cool? And that's the end of the dance. We're gonna go through it with the music a couple times, rewind it. Yeah.
I got muscles like Superman trainer. Real, real rare like Super Saiyan Mega. I jump, stomp, stomp on Lucifer's stage. Now I got a few rings on Jupiter's gate. I meant to say Saturn, switched up the pattern. Smoking on some shatter, got me higher than a ladder. Thanks, son, flatter, my baby mama batter. You look like Mick Jagger, oops, the grease splatter. Hot, hot, woo, jumping out the grease. It's a whole lot of degrees, about to come, about to fleece. Please, please, shh, I don't wanna hear a beat. Trying to catch some sleep, trying to count some sheep. Hot water, hot shower. Hot Atlanta smoking green cauliflower. Tangerine, yeah.
Hey guys, thank you for coming to Mr. Andrews class, and I hope I see you guys soon. Check out my other videos. If you have any comments or other songs that you will want me to make a dance to, put it in the comments down there. And follow my social medias and whatever. Send the info. Get lit, be easy, stay safe, and wash your hands.
I'm all professional and proper, but my baby mama stopped me in the meeting just to airdrop me some hot water, hot shower. Hot Atlanta smoking green cauliflower.